Good afternoon, everyone. Ranger Rob is bringing you another community insight today. And today I have Hayden Basil of Farm Bureau Insurance with us today. He is a local agent out of the New Albany, Mississippi office. And we're going to showcase Hayden and Farm Bureau Insurance. So stay tuned. Hayden, tell me a little bit about yourself and why you chose to work at Farm Bureau in New Albany.
Well, why I chose to work at Farm Bureau is pretty simple to me. It allows me to serve the community. Farm Bureau is very involved with community sports and other activities and other organizations. And you know, I think that Farm Bureau gives agents an opportunity to succeed, not only now, but of course, throughout your career.
How long have you been with Farm Bureau?
Since June of 2023.
Have you liked everything about it so far?
So far, I cannot say there's too many negatives about it that I've noticed.
Hayden, everybody talks about shopping local.
Mm-hmm.
And shopping local is one thing we focus on in this Community Spotlight series.
Sure.
Tell me, what does it mean to shop local for your insurance needs?
I mean, as putting myself in the place of an insured, I think it means a lot because, you know, when something happens as far as a claim, whether it's your house or whether it's your car, you want to know the person you're calling personally to make sure that they are going to, number one, pick up the phone and answer you, and number two, be able to, you know, relate to you and tell you what to do in a crisis situation.
In Union County, does a lot of people use Farm Bureau? Or are there a lot of people from outside of Union County that use Farm Bureau in New Albany also?
Yeah, I mean, you have a lot of people in Union County that have always used Farm Bureau. So it kind of goes down a generation. Typically, if a granddad uses it, a dad is going to use Farm Bureau as well, and so on and so forth down the line. Union County Farm Bureau has a large percentage of the auto and home population as far as policies go being insured in Union County. As far as outside of the county, obviously all 82 counties in Mississippi have a Farm Bureau office in their county. That comes down to relationships with a particular agent. I have insureds in, you know, different counties, all, you know, pretty widespread across the north and northeast part of Mississippi. So it really just depends on the relationship with the agent.
What services do you offer at Union County Farm Bureau?
So Farm Bureau, the first thing I'm going to talk about is life insurance, because that's, in my opinion, the most important aspect of the insurance. The second thing is going to be home insurance, of course, auto insurance, your typical stuff that most insurance companies offer. Then you get into commercial lines, you know, business type stuff, whether you need to insure your business space for the personal property or just the building itself. Then you get into all of the agriculture stuff, tractors, combines, backhoe loaders, trailers, whatever the case is. There's a vast majority of things that we offer at Farm Bureau.
So pretty much in a nutshell, if it can be insured, you can insure it.
Pretty much. Up to you know, we're not gonna do, you know, really big commercial lines, but for the most average person and average, you know, what all they have, yeah, we can insure just about anything.
So let's recap. You do life,
Mm-hmm.
home, auto, and maybe some small business stuff. Is that kind of pretty much what you cover?
And agriculture stuff.
And agriculture equipment.
Yeah, anything to do with farming, we pretty much can do.
Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
Does Farm Bureau offer any special perks or member discounts, or is there a federation you join when you join Farm Bureau that offers you discounts through other items?
Yeah, so that's what a lot of people don't know. Farm Bureau insurance wasn't created Farm Bureau Insurance. We started as Farm Bureau Federation in 1922, kind of as a voice for farmers during that time period, and that kind of morphed into the life insurance company and then your property and casualty company. So in order to have insurance at Farm Bureau, you are required to have a membership through our Farm Bureau Federation through all 82 counties. So yes, with that membership comes the ability to get insurance. Then you have stuff like hotel discounts. You have discounts on John Deere equipment, grasshopper equipment, bush hog equipment, mossy oak and drake items. And the most popular thing is going to be the car seats. You can get car seats through our discount for $15, $20, and $25. And I think it's up to 3 car seats per membership, and that's probably our most popular thing. And then lastly is the insurance review. People have sometimes heard of that, and that's just sitting down with somebody once a year, whether they're insured with us or not, and going through all your coverages to make sure you know what you have covered. And you ask the normal person down the street, hey, how much is your house covered for? Most of the time they're not going to know. They're going to give you a ballpark. Well, this once a year will keep all of their coverages fresh on their mind so that they know what's covered and what's not.
Hayden, tell me, why should someone choose you and Farm Bureau over other insurance agencies in the area?
Two main reasons. Number one, we're all local. Down from the secretaries in our office, to the agents, to the agency manager, and to the adjusters even. All of the adjusters are from North Mississippi, and most of them are from Union County. They know majority of the people, and people know them, and that makes things easier. You don't want to call somebody you've never met and tell them what you're going through, because you don't know that they're going to put forth the same effort as if one of your buddies calls you or calls me. I'm going to do everything in my power, if you're my client, to help speed whatever process up that I need to get done for you. And then the next thing, and that kind of tailors into it, service. Service is top notch at Farm Bureau. I mean, I don't know too many insurance agents at other companies that on their business card, I give my cell number out. And a lot of people frown upon that, but I want people to be able to reach me if they need me. I want to be able to communicate with my clients. I want to be able to offer service and to be able to serve my clients and everybody else in the community.
What are the hours of operation, and what is your contact information if someone wants a quote or would like to have you give them an insurance review?
Yeah. So our office is open Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. But as far as hours of operation, I'm pretty much 24/7. That's why my cell number's on there. If somebody has a catastrophic house claim and their house burns down, God forbid, or anything, it's 12 o'clock at night, I'm going to pick up the phone. A lot of people are not going to do that. But the way to reach me is the office number, 662-534-4771. My cell number, 662-266-3401, or my email address, which can be found on the Farm Bureau website in Union County.
So Hayden, let me get this straight. You're available 24/7. Mm-hmm. So instead of Jake at State Farm, we can call you Hayden at Farm Bureau.
If that's what you want to call me, sure.
Sounds good. Anything else you'd like to share with our viewers today about Farm Bureau?
Come get a quote. There's going to be friendly service, and myself and all the other agents included will take good care of you.
I'd like to thank Hayden for being with us today in our Community Spotlight video series, All Things North Mississippi. We showcase Farm Bureau in Union County and Hayden Basil, an agent with Farm Bureau in Union County. So for your home, auto, agriculture, or life insurance, stop by and see Hayden. He'll be glad to take care of you. And always remember, do not be a stranger to the Ranger. See you next week.